guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. Happy New Year first and foremost. It is New Year's Day morning. I just got home from Walmart. I went pretty early because I wasn't sure what to expect since most people have the day off and you just never know if people are going to be out. But everything here is from Walmart. The past couple days I was able to go through my freezers, my pantry, and just come up with some new meal ideas. I also want to do some pickled vegetables, so I'll probably film clips of that. I don't know if it'll be like its own video or I'll just pop it into like a what's for dinner video, but some of the stuff, as you'll see, is for that purpose. So everything here was about $70, which I thought was pretty good for the week because I have plenty of meat in my freezer and this is really all I needed to get me through into the new week. So I got some jalapenos here. I'm going to use some of these for pickling just to add some heat and flavor and spice to some of the veggies. I got carrots because I'm going to definitely do some pickled carrots. I got 2 large English cucumbers, of course, for the pickled cucumber pickles. I got some fresh ginger. I want to add some of that in as well for flavor. I'm just going to kind of experiment and see what flavors work well. I got some Sabra roasted pine nut hummus just for snacking. Some red onions because there's definitely going to be a lot of onions getting pickled. I also got some spinach and spring mix for salads and sandwiches for the week. I got a huge head of broccoli crown, a big broccoli crown for a side one day this week. I got a couple of the Choi Bonnie flip yogurts for my husband. The almond Coco Loco. It has coconut low-fat Greek yogurt with honey roasted salted almonds and dark chocolate. And then the chocolate haze craze, which is chocolate hazelnut flavored low-fat Greek yogurt with hazelnuts and chocolate. I also grabbed a big thing of the Heinz brand all-natural pickling vinegar base. This is just from the research I did. This seemed to be a common thing, so I just got the biggest one I could find because I want to make a few jars just to test them out and kind of play around with it. I also got some red wine vinegar. I already have some of this, but the bottle is like down to here, so I wanted to make sure I had plenty of it so I didn't run out. Also trying this Kavita Master Brew Kombucha in the blackberry flavor. I've tried a couple of these and I do like them, so I just thought that would be another flavor to try. I did get some Thai Kitchen brand premium fish sauce. This is really popular in Asian cooking and I have a few different Asian recipes I want to try. I actually don't eat fish and this is flavored with anchovy, which I don't mind the flavor of anchovy. So I'm going to try this. It's like a really good salty alternative in Asian cooking. I also got some whole peppercorns that I'm going to use for the pickled veggies and also in my pepper grinder, so it's going to be double duty. I got some whole garlic cloves already peeled and ready to go for the veggies and also of course for cooking. I got some half and half because I use that in different recipes. Got a big bunch of bananas for my son. He blows through these. I usually get a couple bunches a week. I'll try to get one, you know, when I go, usually like on a Friday, and then I'll get another one midweek so we don't run out. I got an avocado because I'm going to do some avocado toast. I got a couple lemons for like lemon water and just different things. One of them is going to be for a shrimp recipe. This I really like. It's the Mio, like the, how do you explain it? It's like a beverage. You squirt a couple squirts in your water. This is the cherry blackberry flavor. I've had this flavor before. It's really good. Like the whole aisle of these were like wiped out. There was really not that many left. I'm guessing because it's New Year's and people are wanting to drink more water and a lot of people like these like for the gym. So I got that, a couple large beefsteak tomatoes, some strawberries for Grady, some ground turkey. This is the 8515, which is just what I prefer. I just think it has better flavor and I'm going to do a recipe with this. There's a couple different ones I'm playing around with, but probably some kind of a turkey meatball with different elements inside of it. I got some Simply Potatoes shredded hash browns. I've tried like the Orita brand, the Wal-Mart brand. I've tried a lot of different brands of these shredded potatoes. For some reason, I just find this one to taste the best at the end, you know, of the recipe. The final result, I just find that one tastes really good. I also got some Pillsbury Crescent sheet dough because we're gonna roll it out and do homemade pizzas one night with some salad. I got the big box of the Barilla elbows. I do have a couple smaller boxes of this in the downstairs pantry, but we'd go through quite a bit of elbows with pasta dishes, chili. I throw a lot in soups, mac and cheese, etc. I got some Mott cinnamon applesauce. My son likes to take these to school. I also got some red lentils. I already have the regular lentils, but I wanted to get red because I really like making soups, you know, January, February, March. It's just cold here and soup is just comforting. So I'm going to probably do like a sausage, potato, veggie, red lentil soup at some point in the near future. And this bag will probably get me like 4 different recipes because I just like, you know, to toss like a good handful in. This is a 16-ounce bag, so these go a long way. I got Pringles, the individual cups. My son takes those to school once in a while, and I just like them for portion control. Some of the Arby's brand seasoned curly fries, which are really good when you bake them. They get super crispy, and they're great with like a BLT or grilled cheese. They're just a really nice, like really tasty French fry. We got the Nature's Own butter bread. This is the bread my son likes for his peanut butter sandwiches, and we also like it for toast. And then a big bag of the, I don't know if these are cuties. They're the sweet and seedless mandarins. They're just like cuties, but they're not like the name brand cuties. So this is everything I picked up today at Walmart. I'm gonna share now my meal plan for the upcoming week. Alright guys, so meal plan for the week, January 3rd through the 10th. This is in no particular order either. One night we're going to do that pizza dough, that Pillsbury pizza dough with sausage and peppers. I'll probably throw some onions on there as well. And a salad with the pickled veggies. You'll see those pop up a lot. I actually just did my very first batch because I have been like buying already made pickled veggies. I really like pickled carrots and they're absolutely delicious, but the problem is they're really expensive and I blow through them. Like I will get a jar of pickled carrots. They're like $5 for a jar half this size and it'll be gone in like a weekend. So that's why I decided to try doing my own. So I've got 3 different kinds here. This one I'm going to bring to my parents because it's not like spicy. This one is spicy. This one is like more mild. But this one has red onion, cucumber, big chunks of garlic clove, carrot, rosemary, black peppercorns, ginger, I'm forgetting something I think. And then obviously the brining solution so it won't be like super spicy. This one is mainly just for pickles. So I did a bunch of cucumber, red onion, garlic, black peppercorn, rosemary. That's what I forgot. This one has rosemary too. And then the, you know, brining solution, of course, and a splash of red wine vinegar. They will all start to turn like pinkish purple because of the red onion. And this is the spicy one. So it's got jalapeno, tons of fresh ginger, carrot, onion. So this is like a spicy pickled carrot with onions. I think it's going to be really good. But I just did them, so I'm going to put them in the fridge. And then according to everything I've read up on, it looks like in about 18 to 24 hours, I will start to be able to eat them. So I'll let you know how they are. I'm definitely going to do more and experiment with different spices, different veggies, that kind of thing. And I'll definitely share when I do my next batch. This is just a trial run because I've never done them before. But anyways, back to the meal plan. One night I'm going to do turkey meatballs. I'm going to stuff them with something. I have a few different recipes. I might do like roasted red pepper and cheese. I'm going to do some kind of stuffed turkey meatball with some egg noodles and of course the pickled veggies. I'm going to do a lemon pepper shrimp one night. I've got like 3 pounds of shrimp in the freezer. So I'll take a pound out and do like a lemon pepper shrimp sauteed up with rice and then steamed or roasted broccoli. I'm going to do a red lentil and sausage soup with a salad with, again, the pickled veggies. I'm going to do a ham and cheddar quiche with possibly a potato crust. I'm not really sure yet. And then we'll just use up whatever fruits we need to use up towards the end of the week. Also, when I was going through my spice cabinet, I found this McCormick General Tso's chicken. This was a limited edition, so I don't think they still make it, but I wouldn't quote me on that. but I haven't seen it. So I'm going to do General Tso's chicken in the crock pot with basmati rice. I have a little note for myself to thaw out the boneless, skinless chicken thighs because that's what I use in this recipe. And I have another little note to possibly buy more broccoli if I use up all the broccoli on this dinner, because this recipe calls for broccoli. And then of course I have my freebie night as always, which I just kind of freestyle it, leftovers, you know, that kind of thing. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will of course keep you posted on these. I'm sure you'll see them in an upcoming video, and have a great day. Have a very happy new year, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.